Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you how to get unlimited Lattice, units, and chrono tokens for free. I've done this myself and have gotten thousands of Lattice for free without spending any money. As you can see, it worked for me. I now have every skin unlocked. The only way to get these resources for free right now is by using a secret code. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to get this code for free on all platforms. To start, grab your mobile device. I recommend doing this on mobile because it's easier, but you can use a PC as well. Now head over to this website, rizdeal.com. This site provides free codes, coupons, and discounts for games, software, and more. It really works. Once you're on the site, use the search bar to type in Marvel Rivals. You'll see the option pop up. Just tap on it and it'll take you to a page where you can claim your code. Now click the Show Coupon button. The site will display part of the code, but to unlock the full code, you'll need to click on the Unlock Code button. When you click that, it'll begin loading, and once it hits 100%, you'll be redirected to another page. Before the full code is revealed, you'll need to complete 3 simple offers. The offers are usually super easy, like downloading an app and running it for 30 seconds, or playing a quick game to reach a certain level. For example, I had to download TikTok and use it for 30 seconds. Another offer wanted me to install and play a game called Travel Town until I reached a specific level. Make sure you follow the steps for each offer carefully. This is super important. The offers may vary based on your location, so don't worry if they look different from mine. After completing 3 offers, you'll be redirected back to the site and a pop-up will appear saying 3 offers successfully completed. This will reveal your full code. Once you have the code, redeem it in Marvel Rivals and you'll instantly get unlimited Lattice, units, and chrono tokens. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.